Hi, hello everyone. Today I'm here to review this Oppo W31 truly wireless earphones, which I mainly purchased for my own use. So I have already done the unboxing, and I have been using this for last 7 days, and the case is very tiny. It fit into your hand and pockets. Let me open and show you how it looks inside. So this is how it fits into. Both the earbuds are there, and it has a magnetic fit, so it has magnets, so it will lock once you place it here. Yeah. So I'll also show you how if I put it on here, how it fits into. Yeah, this is how it fits into the ear canal. Yeah, this is how it looks, and I'll also show you if it will not fall also easily. Yeah. Now let me talk about the sound quality and call quality. So in terms of music sound quality, it's very good. It's AAC codec is available. So it delivers punchy, clear, lows, mids, and highs. Bass is heavy. There's the two modes available: bass mode and normal mode. So once you turn on bass mode, so bass will be heavy. At that time, you will not see the trebles more, and there is a balance mode available. So that is balanced with lows, mid, and high and bass. Everything is balanced. So I have used few more TWS. So sound is at par with the best which I have seen, and I also have used in Dolby Atmos supported mobile phone. The sound transition is pretty amazing, and sound will around your ears. Let me talk about call quality, which is my main purpose of buying the TWS. Yes, so after checking out so many earphones, this is the one of the best mic quality. So I have tasted and reviewed with other callers. So they have been saying my voice is absolutely crystal and clear as much as the phone microphones. All others headphones will suppress your voice, or there are some kind of robotic sounds comes out. But here it is as natural as your natural voice. Even I have been trying out one while driving bikes also. That is also good. Yeah, some noise distortions will come, but yeah, it's manageable. Yes, so it has two mics for each of the earbuds. That does a very good job. In terms of battery, it lasts up to 3 to 4 hours in each buds, and the case can give us a 4 times more charge. And it's Type C supported. Yeah, we can charge from our mobile cables only, and it's not supporting the Heavenly apps, so you cannot customize the button touch sensor. Touch sensor is pretty good with a limited function. You can do play, pause, you can answer your calls and reject your calls, you can activate voice assistance, and also you can change music track, you can change uh, music mode from balance to bass mode. That's all the option available here. I hope they would have given that Hey Melody app support here, so that was not there in this case. In W51 it is there. So with a budget of 3000 rupees, this is the best one with sound and call quality. Everything is just natural as it is, and it's a quick pairing option is also available. It is pretty fast. Yes, it cannot be paired with two devices at the same time, You have to unpair with one device, then you have to pair with the other device. I should say that's not that one of the disadvantage it has, because OnePlus Buds is having two device pairing, so you can connect quickly by switching with the double holding the one of the buds. You can quickly jump to the other mobile devices. In this case, you have to unpair and then pair. That is disadvantage here. It can be used as a mono mode. So one single earbuds you can use for calls and music and all, but cannot connect with the two device. So that's all for today. We'll come back for more reviews and genuine feedback. Thank you.